Uninstall system apps on Android without root or PC. Want to uninstall system apps on Android with no root and no PC? I tested three methods in 2025 and here's what actually works. System apps are pre-installed by manufacturers and carriers. Normally, they can't be uninstalled without root or ADB. But in 2025, there are safe workarounds. First is through settings. So go ahead and open settings on your device and then from here, look for the apps tab. So scroll down and you'll be able to find apps. Click on it. And then once you're on the apps tab, go ahead and head over into the all apps tab and then go ahead and select a system app and then click on disable. So this removes the app from your launcher and stops it from running. Now, another thing you can do is to use hidden app management. So some phones like Xiaomi, Realme, and Samsung include hidden app management. So to access this on your settings, head over to apps, manage apps, and you can uninstall or hide certain system apps without root. And lastly is to use a third-party tool. So apps like Universal Android, the Bloatware Mobile, or ADB App Control Lite now run directly on your phone. No PC required. Install, grant permissions, and select the system apps you want to remove. Take note, don't remove core apps like settings, phone, or system UI. Stick to bloatware like pre-installed social apps or trial software. Now you know how to uninstall system apps on Android without root or a PC. Did you disable or fully remove yours? Drop your experience in the comments.